In this video, I will show you how to enable direct messages on Discord. So the first step is to simply open Discord, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply, so let me resize here. So you're gonna have to go to user settings, and then you're gonna have to go to privacy and safety. Now the next step is to scroll down, and as you can see here, you have this option which is direct messages from friends. So here you can basically block them if you want. So you're gonna have to enable them. So select show. Then you have direct messages from others. Make sure to select show and show here. Now, if you scroll down, you can see DM spam filter. So you have three different options. So you have filter all direct messages, filter direct messages from non-friends, and do not filter direct messages. So this you can select this depending on what do you want. So I recommend you to select this one here. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down and then make sure to enable this option, which is allow direct messages from server members. So enable this, and then you're gonna have to enable this one too, which is enable message requests from server members you may not know. So basically that's all you have to do in order to enable direct messages on Discord. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.